Hello everybody, Robert here again, and today let's use your C# application with a database, okay? So this button you created in the last video, okay, let's use it. Wait guys, before watch this video, go watch this video above, okay? Click the card and go watch. Trust in me, you need to learn this before. But guys, before, you need to declare this SQL connection. It's basically the connection string with your database. You can use local, okay? Passing your local database, the name of database that you use, the user ID and the password. Or guys, you can create a database in cloud and use this normally, okay? But like I said before in this video, you need configuration one thing before, okay? The another parameters is the same, but there are three more, okay? The three last: trusted connection, encrypt, and the multiple activity result, okay? False, false, and true. Now let's go to your method. The first step is create the SQL command, okay? It's basically the command that you execute in database and you bring your data or alter inside the database, your drop, okay? After create this command, you will pass the connecting string that you declared before. The next step is declare string builder. String builder is basically object to you build a string character by character. Now guys, let's use your string builder to build your header, okay? The first column is ID, here it is. The next step is create a page left. It's basically white space, repeat 50 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? To give a space between the columns. So the next column is the name of movie, and after a space, and after the names of directors. After that, let's use your database connection, okay? I will use a try catch because if any error happened, you can get the exception here, okay? And discover what is happened. So open connection and use SQL data reader. It's basically the reader what return coming from your database, okay? After that, just do a simple while. While there is data inside your header, write in string builder, okay? Paste the column like reference. This column need to be equal database, okay guys? Giving a space between the data. The space won't be perfect because the size of a string is different, but you will see, okay? And after write all data coming from database, you use a method to build your text file, paste the string builder like parameter. This method to write your text file is basically what we did before, okay? But here I added some details. First detail is the data. The data that get time and the day right now to declare like name of file, okay? So not just is necessary in string data time because these 2 points and this bar can be error, do you understand? Because this bar is like this and the string path is like this. And in the end of your path, I created the name of file like the time right now, okay? And the rest of code is basically like your first video, okay? I will let in the card above. And after this method is executed with success, just finally close connection and let's go see work. Okay, here it is, import file, and file created success. If you take a look in directory, here it is, new file, movies, the data, and ta-da! So guys, any problem, any error, please let in comments. I will help you. I see you on the next time.